Puerto Princesa.
Puerto Princesa City National Science High School! Ayun!
These are the delegates and exhibitors of Kakaiba Philippine Bird Festival at Puerto Princesa.
Asian Raptor Research and Conservation Network and their delegates from Japan and Malaysia. Ang Chinese Wild Bird Federation mula sa Taiwan. Ang Wild Bird Society of Taipei from Taiwan. Also have Xiamen Bird Watching Society from China.
Delhi Birds from India.
Have Nature Photographic Society from Singapore.
Singapore as well, we have Nature Society.
Now we have Bird Conservation Society of Thailand.
From the Philippines, we have Team Energy Foundation.
Katala Foundation.
And our partners in this festival, Birdwatch Palawan! Philippine Convention and Visitors Corporation.
A Recreational Outdoor Exchange or ROCS. We also have the Worldwide Fund for Nature Philippines, WWF.
We have also Conservation International.
Isla Biodiversity Conservation.
Cebu Biodiversity Conservation Foundation. Balanga
Balanga
City
City.
Administrator.
At taga Tubataha Reef Marine Natural Park Office.
Negros Forest and Ecological Foundation.
Western Philippines University.
At mga artists ng Art Tribe.
Municipality of Taytay.
And then we have also delegates from the Municipality of Nara.
Ang mga taga Wild Bird Club of the Philippines. Philippine Butterfly Conservation Society. My
Zoo Foundation!
Today, we're particularly happy that they are here, our friends of the earth. Yan ang sinasabi namin, kami ay humahanga dito sa mga bird watchers. We admire all of you because you get joy and satisfaction just by watching birds, butterflies, flowers, and the wildlife without necessarily owning them and putting them in a cage. Di ba? Maligaya na sila, makita nila yung mga birds, buhay, nandiyan dyan, libre, hindi kailangan ikulong, hindi kailangan ariin. These are the kind of people that will bring a brighter future to our home we call Earth. And definitely, they are the kind of visitors and partners that Puerto Princesa would like to have for all eternity. Congratulations po sa inyo lahat.
The Philippine Bird Festival started 4 years ago. At gusto namin, we wanted to have an avenue for the students and for the next generation of Filipinos to be aware of Philippine birds. Why? Our birds are very beautiful. And we have one of the highest endemisms of birds in the world. Ibig sabihin, marami mga ibon natin ay nakikita lamang dito sa Pilipinas. At hindi lang yon. Many of the birds can only be found also here in Palawan and nowhere else on the face of the earth.
Yung ating tema na aba, kakaiba, talagang kakaiba tayo dito. Dahil talagang yung ating mga ibon ay talagang dito lang sa atin makikita. Meron tayong 17 na endemic na species na tinatawag. Nakasama dito yung ating Palawan flower pecker at iba pa. Sinasabi rin na isang important birding area yung ating Puerto Princesa at ang buong Palawan.
Kami po ay nagagalak na nakasama muli ng Wild Bird Club of the Philippines in celebrating the 4th Wild Bird Festival. We are practically honored for the invitation to be part of this gathering, this annual gathering, and for bringing the message of care for environment to the various part of the Philippines through these festivities.
What bird is in the logo of the Wild Bird Club of the Philippines?
Beating heart. Beating heart.
Are you sure?
Are you sure?
Pumupunta sila dito galing sa ibang bansa, galing sa ibang bayan upang magpahinga Nakahawa ka ng crocodile na hindi nakatali. O, di ba?
Patay naman.
Hindi, stop yan. Huwag ka na maingay.
Paano sila nangingitlog? Sila'y naghukay, hukay, hukay, hukay. Paano sila maghukay? Sabayan nyo naman ako. Hukay, hukay.
It's so wonderful because we learn many things about the animals around us. It's so beautiful, really. It's different. It's really different. It allows us to make new friends and to learn new things. With this kind or with this particular design of activity, it's really enjoyable. It's really fun for the students to learn, and they are really motivated.
Every breath you take, every move you make, every bond you break, every step you take, I'll be watching you. Every